we are going to do how to install WordPress on our local host. So the first thing to do is to copy the WordPress installer folder, which is this. You copy it and you open your computer, your local disk. You will see a XAMPP folder. Open the XAMPP folder. You will see htdocs folder. Open it. Then you paste your WordPress installer in it. Now our WordPress has finished pasting. So we are going to rename it to any name that you want. You will name it Colobra. You name it Colobra. So we have renamed our folder now, and this is it, Colobra. We'll open the browser of our choice and type localhost / Colobra. That's the name of the folder we rename. And you press enter. It says, welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following items before proceeding: database name, database username, database password, database host, and the table prefix. So let's go. So for us to have the database name, the username, and the password to enter into these fields, we need to create the database. And to do that, we have to go to localhost. We have to type localhost /php my admin. Then you click enter. Under create new database, you put your database name there. I'm naming my own Colobra. Create. Now we have our database, which is Colobra. Now we are going to create a user for our database. And to do that, you click privilege. Under privilege, you can create user. So add new user. Add new user. Our username is going to be Colobra. Host is going to be local. And you put your password here. Then you repeat it here again. And all these boxes will be checked. You click check all to check it. Then you click go to create your user. Now we have created our database successfully, and we have also created our username and password successfully. Then we go back to the tab where we have our database name. It's called Colobra, username Colobra. Then you enter your password and you click submit. Run the install. Site title, I'm using Colobra. You can see change it later after the installation of the WordPress. The username, I'm using Colobra. Then the password, you use your password, something you can easily remember. Confirm your password, add your email, and click install WordPress. So, success. WordPress has been installed. Were you expecting more steps? So disappointed. Then you click login. Then you put your username. Our username is Colobra. Then you enter your password and log in. So we have successfully installed our WordPress on our local host.